Hello! Today we are going to make this adorable trinket bowl in just a few quick minutes. So the first step is to make a magic circle, and basically you're just going to wrap the yarn around your hand twice with it crossing over, and then stick your hook through, twist, and then grab it the second time, and that's going to make your magic circle. You can always just chain 4 and then loop, but this will make for a tighter bottom. In your magic circle, you're going to go ahead and half double crochet 16 times and then pull that little loop tight. I'm working with cotton, so it's very stiff and it's not exactly the easiest, but I really think it makes a beautiful little trinket bowl. So if you want to make the same, just look for some 100% cotton in fingering size and you just go to town. For the second round, we're going to half double crochet 32 times. So that's 2 times in each half double crochet we did previously. And then for the final round on the bottom piece, we're going to half double crochet 64 times, which is again 2 half double crochets in each half double crochet. Say that 5 times fast. We're done with the bottom, we're just going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So that's going to be a chain 1 and 63 single crochets, so that's 64 stitches all the way around. That's going to start bringing us up on the sides and just be a really nice transition from that half double crochet bottom, which is kind of plain, up into the more, I don't know, prettier sides of our little trinket bowl. Now we're just going to double crochet in each of our single crochets, kind of building up those sides a little bit. Let's do one more boring row before we get into our fun stuff. And we're just going to single crochet around one more time and go ahead and build up those sides before we jump into the fun stuff. Look at how cute our little trinket bowl is starting to turn out already. Eee. Alright, now we're ready for those fun alpine stitch activities. So, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, then we're going to front post double crochet, skip the next single crochet, and then repeat around for 64 total stitches. This is going to make those double crochets that are dipping down and doing the front post pop out from the side of the bowl, and it's actually a really pretty stitch when you get it all worked up. And the reason we want to go ahead and do one set in this color and then one set in the next is because it makes it look like it's almost dripping down the side of the little trinket bowl, and I just love the way it looks. So front post in one side, or in the right side out the left, or vice versa if you're crocheting left-handed, around the front post and double crochet like normal, but then it just pooks out. One more time with the pale pink color or coral color, whatever you want to call it, for a single crochet round once you've got your front loop double crochets and double crochet row all done. And we'll just build that up to give a little separation between our pretty teal blue rows and the coral rows. Alright, now we're going to get exciting and change that color up. For this one, we are going to repeat our exact same front post double crochet stitch from the prior experience. And what we'll do is, again, we'll chain 2 and then double crochet in the next single crochet, a front post double crochet, then skip the next single crochet, and repeat all the way around for a total of 64 stitches. And this is going to pull up every other one of those front posts, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So let's just get that going, and you're going to love the way this looks like it's dripping down the side of the trinket bowl. Once you've got your pretty blue row all done, teal row, whatever, we're going to go ahead and do another single crochet to kind of finish off that top and make it look all nice and neat there. Now it's time to fasten off and weave in your ends because this little trinket bowl, it's all done! Yay!